Warning, do not attempt to move on to the next step before you're confident, comfortable, and relaxed with the previous step. I prescribe practicing 3 days a week for maximum results.
Welcome back to the Swim Doctor's office. How can I help you? Alright, well, I have a cure for that. First off, I want to say thank you for all your support so far, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I read everything and I answer them as best as I can so that you get what you need. Okay, so for the breaststroke arms, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull both arms out in front of you. Simple, I know. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your arms from out in front of you and you're gonna pull them back. Now when you're pulling them back, you wanna pull them back until they're to your side. You don't want to pull them back all the way, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna have to bring your arm forward. So when you're pulling your arms back, what you're also gonna do is your head is gonna be straight down, and then you're gonna be pulling back. And as you're pulling back, you're bringing your head up for a breath. Now, when you're coming up for a breath, you don't want to come up as high as possible. Like I said in my other videos, the higher you go up above the water, the farther you're going to go back down in the water. So you want to go up until your buoyancy level, which is right below your chin. So when you're coming up, you're going to come up right above your chin. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to bring your arms in. All you're doing is you're going from your arm coming right here to your side and you're swinging it in. You're not bringing it forward. You're not bringing your arm all the way back and pulling back up. All you're doing is when you're coming back, you're going all the way to your side, swing your arm in. Okay, so you're swinging your arms in and then you're gonna push your arms out. What that's going to do is that's gonna create as less drag as possible so you move faster in the water. Now when you're bringing your arm in and you're pushing your arm up forward, you're also pushing your head down into the water. Not necessarily pushing, you're letting your head go into the water. The reason why is you don't want to face plant into the water. That might hurt. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your head down into the water, back into the position where both your eyes are pointing down at the bottom of the pool. You don't want to be looking forward. Now if you're in a pool for a lap swim, a lot of the times they're gonna have lines at the bottom of the pool. And based on those lines, you should know where you're at. Now, if you're in an apartment pool, it's gonna be a little bit harder. Every once in a while, use your eyes to look forward. Try not to move your head up to look forward because that's gonna create more drag. And it can also confuse your body in the way that you're moving too. So the easiest way to do that is just do it maybe a few times and then stop. That way you're not going all the way to the end and you might hit the wall. Just go a few times, stop. Like I said in a lot of videos, it's actually better to rest. When you're swimming, obviously you're gonna get tired, especially if you're learning how to swim, you're gonna get really tired. So what you want to do is rest. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna recharge your body. Now, everybody does this. When you start getting tired, you start doing things a little bit more sloppy. I notice I do it when I swim as well. So I always have to catch myself when I start getting really tired to use proper form. All right, now if this helped you or someone else out, make sure you hit that like button and you also press that subscribe button so that you know the next time I upload a new video. Okay, and come back to the Swim Doctor's office for more cures.